Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear your high RAM usage or your high memory usage in your computer, guys, basically in Windows 10. So guys, after the recent update, it has been seen in the lot of computers after the Windows update that the computers are really working very slow actually, and the RAM is, the computer is taking a lot of RAM out of your PC, so which is really very bad. So in this video I'll be showing you very quick how to clear your RAM, or when there is a lot of RAM usage on your computer, how you can clear that. So follow me, there are two methods in this video, so please do listen to me very carefully in this video. So make sure the first method, go to the start and type in there regedit. So once you click this, make sure to right click and click on run as administrator, and if it asks for permission, just click on yes. So it will open something like this. So make sure to click on this H key local machine. Make sure to click on this small arrow, small arrow, so it will just show more subfolders of this. So after you click on this small arrow, make sure that you click on system. Just click on the same small arrow and it will show more folders. And after you click on system, make sure to click on control set 001. So make sure to click on the same arrow over there and make sure to click on services over here. So after you click on services, there will be a lot of folders, so I'll just stretch it out so it could look better. So yeah, after that, after you go to services, make sure you have to search for a folder name as NDU. So make a good note of that. So just keep scrolling down until you go to N, and there will be something, yeah, just here, NDU. So make sure that you single click on that, so these files will just come out on the right side of your screen. So make sure that you click on start, just single click once and it will get selected, and just right click on it and just click on modify. After you click on modify, the value data will be 2 over here, as you can see. Make sure that you select it and just backspace, so it will just get deleted, and make sure that you click on 4. So as it is 4 now, make sure that you click OK and make sure that you close this tab now. After the first method, make sure that you restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, if you do not get any changes, if you don't feel any changes in your RAM usage, so there is the second method for you guys. Make sure that you click on Windows plus R, click your Windows key and press R, so it will just run. This run window will just pop out. If you don't know, if you, there are even more ways. You can just click on run and just you can click on this, or right click and run as admin, just click on the run. So in my case, I'll just press Windows plus R, Windows key plus R, so this run thing will open. And on run, make sure that you search for services dot msc. Make sure it is looking something like this and make sure to click on OK. So let's wait, and this will open, guys. So after services.msc is opened, make sure that you search for superfetch. So make sure that you scroll down until you search for superfetch. So whenever you will find for superfetch in this services.msc, you will also notice that there might be two names mentioned. There might be superfetch also, and there might be sys main as well. So both of these files do the same thing as well. Make sure that you read the description once you click. Just click once on the system main sys main, or there will be a file called as superfetch. So just click on that and check the description. It must be like this: maintains and improves system performance over time. So if the description is the same, make sure that means that your file is correct. The names might be different. Make a good note of that. It might be system main sys main, just like this, or it might be superfetch as well. So both the files are same, guys. Do not panic in this situation. So make sure that you click on sys main, or in your case it might be superfetch as well. So make sure that you right click on it and make sure that you click on stop, and it will just stop. the sister SYS main or the super fetch if it is in your case. And once it is stopped, just double click on it, and this section will pop out, guys. Once you double click on SYS main or super fetch, and there will be startup type. Now startup type will be automatic, so make sure that you click it and make sure that it is selected disabled. Once it's selected disabled, make sure that you hit apply and OK, and just close the tab and make sure that you restart your computer. So these are the two methods, guys, where you can clear your RAM, and if there is any heavy usage in your RAM, that will be cleared as well. So I hope that you will like this video, guys. If this video helped you even for a bit, please do leave a like and also share this video as much as possible with your friends, so people could get help as well. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.